In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile one payment to multiple bills in Xero. This is perfect for situations where you've paid a supplier once, but that single payment covers several separate bills. Reconciling it properly ensures your accounts are accurate, your outstanding bills are cleared, and your reports stay trustworthy. Start on your Xero dashboard and open the bank account the payment came from. From there, click Reconcile. This takes you to the bank reconciliation screen where Xero lists each bank statement line alongside suggested matches. Think of this page as your checklist for confirming what each transaction relates to in Xero. Next, find the payment you want to match. Look for the date, amount, and payee details that line up with what left your bank. You can scroll through the list or use search and filters to narrow it down. Be sure you're selecting the outgoing payment, not a deposit, and double check the amount matches what you expect to allocate across multiple bills. With the correct bank line highlighted, look at the suggestions and options Xero presents. You'll see outstanding bills for the relevant supplier. Click the checkbox next to each bill that this one payment is intended to cover. As you tick bills, Xero updates the total of the selected items, so keep an eye on that running total. Your goal is for the combined total of the selected bills to exactly match the payment amount on the bank line. If something doesn't add up, confirm you've chosen the right supplier, verify invoice numbers and due dates, and make sure there aren't any duplicates. Matching by both amount and contact is a reliable way to avoid errors. If the payment is intended to cover only part of a bill set, select just the bills that sum to the payment value and leave anything else for a later reconciliation when the next payment arrives. If the totals still don't match, pause and review the bills for typos or currency differences rather than forcing a match. Once the selected bills equal the payment, click Reconcile. Xero will allocate the payment across those bills and mark them as paid, clearing them from the awaiting payment list. You can always open the supplier activity or the individual bills afterward to confirm the payment distribution and keep a clean audit trail. That's all it takes. By finding the correct bank transaction, selecting the related bills, and reconciling, you ensure your payables and bank balance stay perfectly aligned. Reconcile regularly, use clear supplier names and references, and you'll keep month-end smooth and stress-free.